Mercedes V-Class cabin filter or cooling filter replacement. This is the new filter part number, just to show you. And this is, you need to remove two parts for that to get access to the full cooling filter. So just to show you, you need to remove this cover first. It has 3 screws. One I already opened, which is here, and 2 is in the hole here, one here and one in that side, same thing. So remove those 2 screws, then remove this cover. The screw is T-Rock 25, and you have to remove this wiring as well for the full light. Yeah, that's it. We got this, and then you need to remove. You can see the filter from here. I mean, the position. To take the filter out, you can see the filter is down here, but then you need to remove this fuse box. It has 2 screws T-Rock 30 here. You can see them. This one and this one. The reason is that because you can't take the filter out from the position down, and it's very easy to remove. So as soon as you remove the T-Rock 30 bolts, 2 of them, and then this side it has nothing, it has a clip. You have to pull from that side and that will come out itself. You can see. So yeah, that's enough to remove the filter, this much. So and the filter itself, it has a turn clip, so turn it that way. You see it has one other side as well. You can turn it, yeah, and that's it. Pull towards down and that will come out. And there you go, we got the filter here. The filter was very bad in this one. And always pay attention for the marks. See the marks, how it goes. So you have to put the filter back this way, and the marks should be towards the driver's side.